about how many how many rounds we should chant this Hare Krishna mantra. So I told it's 108 times. One bead, one mala, we have 108 beads. So that is one round. Like that, 16 rounds. And it is told Krishna have 16,108 queens, the gopis. So as you finish the one round, you can push the beads and then it will be done. Like 16 rounds can be done. So that is a later stage. I took like so long time to reach that stage. But initially, just chant for 10 minutes, one round, two round, how much ever possible, please do it. And after Corona thing, you can get the beads. It is made up of neem tree, and also tulsi beads are available. That is after initiation. So please don't use this finger. You should always keep the beads between your thumb and the middle finger and keep chanting. So the Panchatattva mantra is very important. Please don't neglect it. Initially, when I came to Krishna consciousness, it was very tough to learn that mantra. So I didn't learn it. I was just chanting Hare Krishna. But my seniors, mentors, they told me that mantra is very important because whatever offense you do chanting Hare Krishna, the Panchatattva mantra will take it. They are very merciful. It's Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is Krishna himself, who has come in Kali Yuga to propagate this Harinam Sankirtan. And this Harinam Sankirtan is Gologera Premadan. Gologera Premadan, Harinama Sankirtan. So it is very spiritual. There is no rules and regulations for this. Tatrarpida Niyamida Smaranena Kala. So you can chant at any time, anywhere, without taking bath, without brushing. Just get up from your bed, sit and chant. Please, in your fingers, just chant. It's a humble request. At least in this Corona epidemic, at least do something for your spiritual life. And it is never a loss. Okay. So please do chant. And that's why I told 16 rounds. But that is for a later stage. Initially, you can start with one round or two round, whatever possible. Okay, Chaitanya, you have a question? Raise your hand. You can unmute
Mataji,
yourself.
actually,
Yes.
I have ordered the course material, so I won't be getting immediately.
Yes, Prabhuji was telling the postal people have going there and collecting the materials. So I think you will be getting. You didn't. You got the receipt, no? The confirmation
I
that
got,
you have paid. Yeah. So you will. Yeah, you will get it. You will get it soon. Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangalore, Mataji.
You are the mother of Chaitanya, the boy.
No. I am Chaitanya. My name is
Your
Chaitanya.
name is Chaitanya. Oh my God, what a nice name. And Chaitanya
Mahaprabhu.
You should know about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very soon.
Actually,
I
I
mean,
asked the
he is
question, you
Krishna
remember.
himself.
Then when
You
you
asked
told
me?
me.
Okay. That is Krishna himself. Yes, in
when you told me,
Bhagavatam it
then
is
only
said, Krishna Varnam Tusha Krishnam. Yes, Krishna Varnam Tusha Krishnam
Then I
Sango
googled and
Pangastra
I was
Pashita.
reading about.
Yeah. Yes, he is Krishna
Then
himself
only
who
I'm
came in
reading
Kali
about
Yuga.
him.
Yes, but he is a very secret avatar, Channa avatar. So not many people know about him. So he came in the mood of Radharani.
Yes.
Yes. So please chant. Are you chanting, Mataji?
Thank
How
you,
many rounds?
Yes. I am chanting 5 rounds, but I don't have that mala. But I am chanting and
no
counting
problem.
and chanting. That
Yes,
is the reason
Krishna is so
I
happy with you. Yes, he'll see your effort. Don't worry. I'm so
thank you,
happy.
Mataji.
Thank you for
Thank you
chanting.
very much. Thank you. And actually, the everything is very nice. It's giving me so much information.
It's all Krishna's mercy because Krishna is arranging all this, We are not eligible
Actually,
to
I
speak all
learned
this.
Bhagavad Gita when I am childhood, but the knowledge I'm gaining now is more actually.
Yeah, because this is Bhagavad Gita as it is, and Srila Prabhupada has, acted as a postman. He just brought it directly from the parampara. It's in the parampara system. So even I've read so many Bhagavad Gitas, but I didn't get any idea what is what. But this Bhagavad Gita is like, gem because it's a diamond. And Prabhupada have slept only 2 hours every day for 10, 20, 12 years and made this. So please keep reading because Bhagavad Gita slogas and everything is not different from Krishna. Okay, please read it.
Mataji,
And,
thank you.
Okay, Rushan Prabhu have posted the Panchatattva mantra in the chat. Anybody want, take a screenshot. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhara, Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhaktivinoda. This is very important to chant after every round. And those who have beads, please don't cross this bead. Once you finish 108, restart from the 108 and then again go for the second round. And after every round, please make sure you chant this Hare Krishna Panchatattva Mahamantra. write it somewhere, and in a week you will learn. Sumati Mataji, I will be receiving the course material in 2 or 3 days. Can I use the Japamala for chanting once I receive, or any formality or puja to be done for the Japamala? No, Mataji, nothing to be done. I told it's before initiation. We are just doing sadhana bhakti. We are practicing. We have just started. It's by Krishna's mercy. You're getting the beads. Nothing to be done. Just keep the bead in front of your deity or any puja room, and just put some tulsi leaf on that. Offer to Krishna. Just chant Hare Krishna and tell Krishna, I'm going to start my japas from today. So till now I've forgotten you. So many janmas I've forgotten you, but thank you for this beads. And please, nothing else to be done. You can keep chanting. And hopefully you will get a bead bag like this, Mataji, after the session, because the beads, be careful not to put on the floor or where you step somewhere. It's very sacred. So please keep it in a bag, or keep it in a cover or something, and you use it. And no problem, anytime we can chant it. Even during our monthly cycles we can chant it. There is no rules and regulation, there is no offense. So please, because I know we are not allowed to light lamp and all that during those times, but chanting can be done with the beads at those times.
Haribol Ashwarya, if I could just add
Hare
something
Krishna.
here. Hare
Yes.
Krishna. I was able to do my 16 rounds of japa before Prabhuji started his class this morning.
Yes, morning I saw you. I was so
And
inspired by you. Hari Bol.
it was so beautiful. In fact,
Yeah.
after the fifth or the seventh round, you don't even get to know how quickly you land up doing the you land up doing the balance 8 or 9 rounds. And I was
Yeah.
absolutely proud of myself, and my day has gone so fantastically blissful.
Wow.
It has gone
Wow.
so fantastically.
Great.
So my humble handfolded request to all the participants in this forum: strive to do those 16 rounds. Believe you in me, it is the most wonderful feeling.
Thank you
It is
so
the
much,
most wonderful
Prabhuji.
feeling.
How did you reach to 16 in a short time?
Ashwarya, I have strived till 8, 9, 10. I once did 32 rounds in one complete day, but this
Hari
time
Bol.
I thought I'll do 16 at a stretch. And
Okay.
without even taking a 5 minute, I think I took a 5 minute break to gulp a sip of water. And I
Wow.
just continued, and it was, I got up at about 3:45 or something, and before Prabhuji started his class, I had finished my 16 rounds. It was
4 to
wonderful.
6 you chanted, na? 6 o'clock was the class. So
Yeah,
4 to 6 you chanted.
I think, when I finished, Prabhuji had just started the class, and of course, I was watching Mangal Aarti live
Wow.
on my TV, but I had continued chanting. It's a wonderful, it's the most blissful feeling. I was
Yes,
literally
yes,
dancing
yes,
at the
Prabhuji.
feet of my Lord. I was literally dancing at the feet of my Lord.
Yes, Hari Bol.
Hari Bol,
Okay.
Ashwarya.
Hare
Hare Krishna.
Krishna.
Hare
Thank you for
Krishna.
Hare
sharing
Krishna
your
Mataji.
experience. Hare
Thank you.
Can
Krishna.
you please explain the about Ajamila story, end part of the Ajamila story, so everyone can understand
Okay.
what is
After,
there?
after the Yamandudas came, the end part means which, from where? The
Yes,
whole
Mataji.
thing?
From yes, no, from Yamdutas.
Yamadudas.
Yes.
Yes. So as Mataji was saying, suddenly, like when when you experience death, it's like the throat. Somebody is choking your throat. If you should have asked somebody who have overcome death, like near death experience. There is a process called near death experience. And since I'm a doctor and I work in a hospital, I know in ICU we can't believe some people from the ventilator next day they are normal, and some people they are normal but they die. So I go and ask them personally, how did you experience that near death experience, like when you have a heart attack? It's like the whole body is cramped and your neck is choked, and you don't remember anything and all that. So since Ajamla was so attached to his youngest son Narayana, only thing he could remember was calling his son Narayana, because every day he used to call Narayana, come here, sit here, Narayana, have food. So that's whatever you remember and whatever you attach to, you remember at the end. And so Ajamla just called Narayana just once, And uh, before that, Yamadudas came at the time of death because he was having this choking feelings. He knew he was about to die. And then he saw the three Yamadudas coming. You saw the picture. They were like weird rupas, like asuras. They came and they all almost tied Ajamala to take him back to hell for all the sins he have done. But since he chanted Narayana once, the Yamadudas came. Yamadudas are nothing but no one but the representatives of Krishna. They have the Vishnu
Mataji,
form,
Vishnu
four-handed
Duta.
form. Vishnudutas, sorry, Vishnudutas. So the Vishnudutas came, four of them, and with the sword they cut the rope, okay, which the Yamadudas have tied. And Yamadudas were so surprised, like, see, he have done so many sin. We have to take him to hell to give his punishment. But who are these Vishnudutas? They were like surprised. Are you demigods? Are you from heaven? Who are you? And they thought that Yamaraj is superior, but now they knew there was somebody superior to Yamaraj. And Yamaduda and Vishnududas told, no, you can't take him because he have chanted Krishna's Narayana's name once. And they were like, he have done so many sin. What are you talking about? And then they went back. They went back to Yamaraj, and there is a beautiful conversation between Yamaraj and Yamadudas. If possible, please read that sixth canto of Srimad Bhagavatam. Prabhupada has given beautiful purport, and Yamaraj is saying, yes, Ishvara, as Brahma told, na, Ishvara Parama Krishna Satchitananda Vigraha Anadiradir Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. This is Ishvara Parama Krishna. Krishna is above everything. And Krishna only says in 7th chapter, Matta Paradaram Naniya. There's nobody superior to Krishna. So Yamaraj is also one of the devotee of Krishna. So Yamadudas, they were so surprised to know about Krishna, and the chanting of the holy name, the glories of holy name is mentioned there. And after that, all the discussion happened there. But Ajamil could see the discussion between Yamadudas and Vishnududas. All the discussion. Yeah, Yamadudas were saying Ajamil sin, that, this, and all. But Vishnududas are saying no, he chanted Krishna's name. And suddenly all disappeared. Everyone disappeared, and Ajamila got his life back. It was near death experience. His soul was about to go out, but by Krishna's mercy, he got his life back. And that was a second chance. Like at the age of 88, he went to Haridwar, right, Rusham Prabhu? Uh,
Yes,
yeah,
Mataji.
yeah, and he meditated on Krishna. He chanted. He did his devotional service, and then the same Vishnu Dudas came with the aeroplane, the Vaikunta aeroplane, and took him back to Godhead. So that was an amazing story. That's all a lesson for us, that this corona has given us so many tough times. So at least now we should realize this is all nothing will come with us, all this wealth and this, nothing is with us, material qualities. Only Krishna's name and spiritual things will be with us. Okay, so Rusham Prabhu, you want to take some question? Anything?
Mataji,
Recordings
you
of the
take Mataji.
chapters. No, Rushan Prabhu, recordings of the chapters are there. Everybody is asking who's doing the recording thing. I
Mataji,
don't know.
just for today I have recorded, but earlier classes Mataji herself has recorded.
So you can send in the group, no, today's class.
Mataji, it wouldn't go because it is in it is more size. Its size is big.
Oh, so you
So
need
we
to
should upload it in YouTube.
YouTube. Okay, that you ask Mataji and do. Other recordings, I will try to get Mataji. Who is this asking me? Yes. Priyanka, can we get the recordings of this chapter taught by Kishori Mataji? Yes, Rushan Prabhu has recorded it. They will be uploading in the YouTube. You can also get in the ISKCON Mangalore page, Radha Govind Temple. Okay. So just 5 more minutes, we will end the meeting. Others, if you don't have any questions, you can leave. Shubha Kumar, where can we look up the videos of the classes being conducted now? Yes, the videos are there in the YouTube channel of Namanishta Prabhu. What is the YouTube channel,
It is
Roshan
ISKCON
Prabhu?
Mangalore. Radha Govinda Mataji. I think so.
Radha Govinda. Yeah, Radha Govinda temple. Yeah, okay. The vidhi, what is the vidhi to do puja? See, we are doing the Pancharatrika vidhi. Actually, that is by nothing but you glorify Krishna, you chant, you sing Hare Krishna, and then do the puja. So basically what we do is, I'm not initiated yet, so we do the basic puja for Gauramataya, which I have. Just the basics, like we can show an incense stick, like 3 agarbattis, and then second is ghee
Not
lamp.
about
We
that,
can
Mataji.
show.
Mataji, you are
What
telling
he's
them
asking?
to offer the chanting beads to Lord. That one.
Oh, the chanting bead. Sorry. Okay, nothing. What we did is, that time it was not Corona, so we gave to the temple. And the priest, what he'll do is, he'll put the achaman water, something like, or you just put some, you wash it or something, and then offer to the foot of Krishna or deity or photo or whatever you have, and with the tulsi leaf, because Krishna won't accept anything without tulsi. So keep a tulsi leaf and keep in front of Krishna. If in case you don't have any tulsi leaves, it's okay. Just imagine it, and by mind you can do Manasa Puja. You can keep and just offer like the sweets to Krishna in our own sweet words. You don't have to learn Vedic mantras, Sanskrit, nothing. Krishna knows all language. Krishna is Bhavagrahi Janardana. He sees your bhava. He sees, your mood of surrender. Nothing else. So just keep it and chant Hare Krishna and tell Krishna. Just open your mind and tell to him, please help me. I'm going to chant. I'm going to try doing this. And this Hare Krishna Mahamantra is also a Nama Prabhu. That is also a form of Krishna in his holy name. So just offer it and pray to Panchatattva, especially to Panchatattva. Please pray to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is very merciful. He can only give love of Godhead. He is Krishna Prema Pradayate. Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauradeshanama. Krishna can't give Krishna Prem. Only Chaitanya Mahaprabhu can give Krishna Prem. So please pray to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Just pray like Gauranga, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and chant the Panchatattva Mahamantra, chant Hare Krishna, take the beads back and start chanting. Nothing, no vidhi, no puja to be done.
Mataji, another question is, what is Panchatattva? Panchatattva means what?
Yes, so there is Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya. So Shri Krishna Chaitanya is Krishna himself in the mode of Radharani, and Nityananda Prabhu is Balaram. Advaita Acharya is Vishnu and Sadashiva together, and Gadadhar Pandit is Radharani, and Srivas is Narada Muni, a devotee aspect of Krishna. So these are the 5 aspects, the Panchatattva, and it is told Panchatattvatmakam Krishnam Bhakta Rupa Swarupakam Bhaktavadaram Bhaktakya Namami Bhakta Shaktikam. So it's all Bhakta Rupa. So it's Krishna, his associates, all his associates. So it's very powerful, this Krishna, this Panchatattva. And you can see Google, you can see in YouTube Mayapur ISKCON temple. We have the Panchatattva deities. It's so amazing to see it. Please watch it. The Panchatattvas are very merciful. So that's the Panchatattvas.
And Mataji, how does Tulsi Mala look like?
Yeah, Tulsi Mala, I don't have it. It's nothing but just elongated version. Instead of like round, you'll have like small square.
And it will have a darkish version, Mataji, right?
Yeah, dark. It's very dark than this. Namanishta Prabhu has it. You would have seen. You can see in his. You can Google and see the Tulsi Mala. Sharanalayam is one. Okay.
Mataji,
yes,
what is
yes.
the definition of bhakti compared to love?
So bhakti, whenever you take a dictionary, bhakti is just devotion. Okay, any dictionary. But it's only Srila Prabhupada who have made bhakti as devotional service. See, if a boy loves a girl and he keeps on telling, I love you, I love you, I love you. And the girl tells, I'm so thirsty, get some water. And he keeps telling, I love you. And she again tells, I'm thirsty, give me some water. And again he says, I love you. That is nothing. That's not bhakti. So bhakti, he has to do some service. If he really loves her, he would have gone somewhere and get some water for her. So that is service. You need to serve. It just, bhakti is not just a show, Pam, just put tela, kanti. No, it's a service what you do. So devotional service. Bhakti is nothing but devotional service. And devotional service are 9 types: Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Padasevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakyam, Atmanivedanam. Idi Pumsarpita Vishnu, Bhaktischanna Valakshana. So Prahlad Maharaj says, 9 devotional service limbs are there, starting with Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, hearing and chanting the Lord's name, glories, pastimes, all are same. So start hearing, start hearing with the ears. This Bhagavad Gita, what are you doing? You have started your bhakti devotional service. And prema is the last stage of bhakti. So there are 9 stages of limbs of bhakti. That is Ado Shraddha, Tado Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivritti, Nishta, asakti, ruji, bhava, prema. So prema is the last final stage, which is love of Godhead, and it's very rarely achieved, and it is achieved by pure devotees, pure souls. So that's the highest stage. But you can start with, now you have started, you have faith, that is Shraddha. Now you did sadhana, you are associating with us, you are associating with devotees. Next is Bhajana Kriya. Now you started chanting, that is Bhajana Kriya. And slowly all the anarthas, kama, krodha, lobha, moha will go out of your heart. And slowly you can rise to the prema platform. Okay. I think we have to end, Prabhuji. It's almost 4:41. Okay.
Yes,
Hare
Mataji. Thank
Krishna,
you very much,
everybody. Please
Mataji, for
chant.
answering all